Hey, welcome to the weekly Redstone challenge. This one's called Independent Crossing, and as the name suggests, your task is to cross up to 4 different signals inside this 6x6x1 space here, and you have to do it without any of them interfering with one another. So as you can see, there's 4 different color pairs around the edge here. They indicate where the different signals have to start and end. The orange, red, and yellow start on the left and end on the right, and the purple starts on the bottom and ends on the top. This is also what determines the difficulty level for this challenge. So the easy level only requires you to do the purple and the red signals. The medium level also requires that you do either the orange or the yellow, and the hard level requires that you do all of them. And then if you're really looking for a challenge, you can try to make the space inside the green space here 5x5 instead of 6x6. So for inputs, you have 4 options. These are your options here. And so you'll just take one of them and you can place it on one of these inputs anywhere you want. So could be there, could be there, could be there, like that. You're also allowed to replace the block with the input element, so you could go like that. That would work. All right, so note blocks, just using the use function, so right-clicking, levers, both types of buttons. And then for outputs, you have these 4 options here. All right, so what you're going to do is, for output, you're going to take a lamp like so, and you're going to place it somewhere along these solid blocks, right? And your task is going to be to change the state of that, right, with the signal from the other side. So it might be like that, like that, like that. And then you can use these 4 blocks in place of the border here. So say I want to light that signal up there, I could take a repeater, come up here and go like that. I want to light that one, I could take comparator, come put it like that. I want to do the bottom one, I could take like a redstone block, get rid of that, and then take, say, a piston and move it down, and that would be in that border. Otherwise, nothing else is allowed to cross the edge there. And say I want to do an observer, I could be coming down like this. And those would be my outputs. So a couple different notes here. The input signal doesn't have to match the output signal. And what that means is, say I have a button input here, right? And I press this, the output signal would come out this red side over here, right? But it doesn't have to be a single pulse. It can be multiple pulses. It can have a different duration. Instead of turning on and off, it could turn off and on, right? So the output signal doesn't have to match the input signal, but it still can't interfere with any of the others. So when I press this button here, I can't change the state of any of these purple, yellow, or orange ones. So one other thing to note here is that you'll only have to process one signal at a time. So you don't have to worry about 2 signals going through this space at the same time. So if I press this, this will be the only thing going on. I won't have to worry about it interfering with, say, the purple going up. Alright, that's it for this video. If you want to see some of the community solution to last week's challenges, I'll be posting a showcase video with some of my favorites in the next few days. So if you're not already subscribed, consider doing that, and then you could be notified when that video goes live. I also stream on Twitch about once a week, so if you ever want to stop in and say hi, name's just MetaMilo there as well. I'm currently working on a Megabase project, so there's a lot of grinding, and it's real fun to have some people to chat to while I work. So please stop in and check that out. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.